Good morning, everybody. Let's take a look into the life of a dear, sick fetch, shall we? Okay, hey guys. Sorry I wasn't able to record earlier today. I kind of forgot my camera and brought it to bring to Doom class. Really, Travis? Really? Thank you! Now I'm gonna have to bleep that out too.
Again? If I just go like bleepity bleep, can you like throw in the swear word? So if I say bleep, you say fuck. Inverse it? Yeah.
No, I do not allow swearing on my channel. I don't allow swearing on my channel. I don't allow sexual things on my channel. I want this to be family-friendly entertainment.
Family-friendly?
Yes.
Can I wave?
You can wave, but don't. I knew it. You're gonna try to flip off the camera. All right, so I'm sitting with a bunch of idiots. Simple as that. I'm going to have to bleep a bunch of stuff, meaning Mario coins for all. You're just sounding drunk. Travis, you're sounding drunk, honestly. Anyways, yeah. So. Oh yeah, your Snapchat. Yeah. Travis, you sound like that screaming goat on YouTube. Like, I knew you were trouble. Now I'm lying on the cold hard ground. Sucks. Yeah, I yeah, but anyways, oh, what else? The second part of the first vlog's up. Yeah. So, I'm trying to get, I know I've been really behind with these lately, but however, yeah, it's just been crazy. Travis?
I was like 7, 23. I was like a serial killer. Oh, Travis, guess what I drove yesterday? Yes.
I go to school. Idiots.
Anyways,
Anyways, yeah, so I have my Nisma solo all picked out. I am doing On My Own from Les Miserables. Okay, guys, so this is one of the other Britneys that we have. This is the third of 3.
Hi.
And Brittany showed me something that she just did a little bit ago. Tell the story there, Brittany.
Well, actually, I asked Jenny about this because she was watching it.
Well, we were just singing, well, she was just singing her song normally. I'm giving her some of the notes, and then I turn around, and I see
Don't
her.
do it. Have her, Brittany.
And then we laughed for like ever.
And then I was like, Jenny, you have to hit her. They were like, Jenny, you have to hit her and see this. I'm like, laughing so hard. I'm like, can I vlog this?
Oh my god. That was the best ever. Oh my gosh.
I was so funny.
Oh my god.
During practice, you know what I should do when we're on stage? Climbing! This was really like, what are you doing? I'm finding a way to hit my nose.
It's almost like, no. I even got that on camera.
Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that.
And on camera too.
You're trying so hard not to cry.
But it's almost like, how do you solve a problem like Maria? Diddly dee.
You want to do that?
How do you solve a problem like Maria? How do you get...
Anyway, it's just like, how do you solve a problem like Maria? Mr. Sturge is going like,
Deedly-dee.
Deedly-dee. Oh my god, that was so funny.
It was.
Everybody like, okay,
Deedly-dee.
how do you solve a problem like it's deedly-dee? Not just like, what are we doing?
How
And
do you
then we have
solve
to
a
go around
problem
the
like
desk thing,
Maria?
and you just like,
Deedly-dee.
okay, everybody go once, no matter which way. You just like you have a partner and you go at opposite sides.
And you have the mirror, and then you go, and you're supposed to be me and Jenny and Megan. We're just standing there doing absolutely
Nothing.
And we're going, how do you so? We're doing it over and over again. It's just like, oh yeah, we're not gonna do this anymore. And we're like, are you kidding? Wait, are we doing that?
Yeah, we are doing it. Stern said that we're doing the same thing that we did last time, only it's just
It's just the four of us.
Yeah, it's just
and
the four of
else.
us.
You guys are doing the complete
We're
opposite.
doing something.
Alright, well I gotta go, guys. I will see you possibly tomorrow. Hey guys, so well, I forgot to record. Well, no, I couldn't because, well, I was busy working on a humanities project. Joy. That is due tomorrow, and I have to bring a few things to do for my presentation. I am currently at musical rehearsal right now, and yeah, it's gonna be fantastic. Anyways, I'll see you guys in just a moment. I am all fancy schmancy. Why? Because Syracuse stage today. My voice, I'm still not feeling good today, guys. It's like, at least I'll get a chance to rest it a little bit if what is it? When I go, so. Yeah, so, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish getting ready. Possibly I'll have my humanities presentation today, I don't know. But, it's just the way it goes. I'll see you guys in just a moment. Hey guys, the gym is bare once again, so, what? Anyways, I am extremely tired. I don't feel good. And yeah. I just want to go home. I want to go to sleep. It's worse tomorrow. I'll ask my mom if I could stay back to the hotel. Not go to school tomorrow. Because it's gotten to the point where it's just like, it's totally bad. It's really bad. Hunter?
What?
No.
Okay.
Say sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, guys. Sometimes people can be idiots. Isn't that right, Hunter? Okay, guys, you know, hang on. Vlog and the announcements came on, sorry, guys. But anyways, we have Syracuse stage today.
She's vlogging, man. Vlogging. You're not
I was gonna say, thank you, Jaden. You know, you really made it heck for me to edit the first week.
Hey, don't use any foul language. You have to edit those out, okay? Gotcha.
Alright. Well, I gotta go. See you guys. Just a minute. So Brittany's screening her meat right now. I have amazing looking eyebrows, by the way. See? They're amazing. Okay, let's get some pretty eyes.
Do I look evil?
No, it looks like the sweet and innocent eyes. Like, I didn't do anything.
Ooh, that's creepy looking. Should I get a Squidward nose? That look good?
With a what?
With a beard?
Hey, Mr. Gobasa. All right, Mariah, your turn. Bum, bum, bum. Yep. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum.
I'm way too shaky for this. Yes, I'm single, please. I understand, I know I'm hot. I'm single.
Everybody love her. To be honest, I was expecting the Whipping Man to be a really good play. I don't mean to be disrespectful. I mean, I know everybody did their best. But to be honest, it was something that just I didn't get. I never got it. There were some funny parts in the play. There were some cool effects, like this one guy had an amputated his leg, and there was water dripping everywhere. However, I dozed off a couple of times. And I'm usually one who enjoys plays. I'm usually one who enjoys them. But, yeah. Anyways, I had to grab some lunch because obviously I couldn't do it while I was at Syracuse stage today. But, yeah. Question is what to make. Anyways, I wasn't really feeling all that great either. So what I did was I told Mr. G that I wasn't feeling well, and he let me go down to the nurses and rest for the last period of the day. I'm just not feeling good, guys. I just don't feel good. I'm sick right now. As you can tell, my voice is shot. My voice is pretty much shot. Holly's over here, just being a kitty. Hey, Holly. Holly cat. That's my baby. So I think I've gotten enough sleep for a while. I think what I'm going to do is after I eat my lunch, I'm going to go and edit some more vlogs, get them uploaded to YouTube, and yeah, we'll see how everything goes. Because right now I'm currently editing week 2, and yeah. I know you guys are probably enjoying parts 1 and 2 of the first week already. Hopefully, I mean, you never know. You can't please everybody. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so my camera wouldn't let me take a video. Wouldn't let me take a picture, but it won't let me take a video? What? Okay, well, that's weird. But anyways, guys, this is what I made today for dinner. Look at its deliciousness. The only thing that's really missing is broccoli. That's all it's missing. But it does look good, doesn't it? Alright, I can't. It's gonna fall off the plate. Alright, see you guys. remember me telling you guys yesterday that I wasn't feeling good. Well, I can't stop coughing. I can't stop sneezing, and my sinuses are going all over the place. And on top of that, my sister's coming home today. Coming back to the hotel. So, yeah. I'm currently making my lunch right now with cinnamon raisin bagel. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day. Which, by the time this comes out, it'll be like a month ahead of time, so I am so behind on the vlogs, it's not even funny. But I asked my friend Matt to the senior dinner dance on the road. Each of us could buy a few flowers, one for each friend of ours if we wanted to. They all cost $1, and I bought 3. One for Max, one for Josh, and one for Matt. I asked Matt to the senior dinner dance, and I know what you guys are thinking. Jen, senior dinner dance is in June. Why are you asking in February? Because by the time I actually ask anybody, by that time, nobody's gonna wants to go with me or will not be available. So, gotta ask early. Otherwise, I may not get to go. Anyways, I will see you guys later because my lunch is ready. Let's go tomorrow, shall we?